There is a silent system inside your brain that decides how you spend, save, invest, and lose money. Once you understand these psychological money traps, you'll start seeing money in a completely different way, and you'll make smarter moves than 90% of people around you. Let's break it down in a simple way. If I gave you $100 right now, cash in your hand, and told you to spend it versus swiping a credit card for $100, which one would hurt more? If you said cash, congratulations. You just discovered how your brain is sabotaging your wallet. When you pull out physical cash and hand it to someone, your brain lights up. Not in a good way, in the pain center. The same part of your brain that processes a broken bone, that's what fires up when you spend cash. You see the money leave your hand. You feel it disappear. It hurts. Why do you think Amazon created one-click purchasing? Why does Apple let you buy with Face ID? Why is every store pushing you to tap and go? They're not doing it for your convenience. They're weaponizing psychology against you. Think about it. Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, your gym membership you never use. You're bleeding $15 here, $20 there, $30 somewhere else. And you barely notice because it's automatic. It's invisible. It's painless. But imagine this. What if someone knocked on your door every single month, looked you dead in the eye, and demanded cash? You'd cancel half your subscriptions tomorrow. Here's rule number 1. The easier it is to spend, the more danger you're in. I need you to answer something honestly. Have you ever kept a losing stock? Held on to crypto that kept dropping, just hoping it would go back up? Or stayed in a bad investment way too long? If you said yes, keep watching. Let me hit you with 2 scenarios. Scenario A. I hand you $1,000. Right now, free money, no strings. How do you feel? Pretty amazing, right? Scenario B. You have $2,000 in your pocket. But then, you drop $1,000 down a storm drain. How do you feel now? Here's the insane part. You end up with $1,000 in both scenarios. But scenario B? It feels about twice as bad as scenario A feels good. This is called loss aversion, and it's ruining your financial life. The pain of losing money is approximately twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same amount. Your brain treats losses and gains like they're completely different things, even though mathematically, they're just numbers. So what does this mean for you? You hold losing investments because selling means admitting you lost. You stay in bad financial decisions because cutting your losses feels like failure. You throw good money after bad just to avoid the pain of accepting reality. It's like staying in a terrible movie just because you already paid for the ticket. The money's gone either way, but your brain, it can't let go. Real investors, they don't avoid losses. They accept them fast and move on. All right, I'm giving you a choice right now. $100 today or $150 1 year from now. Which do you take? If you said 100 today, you just chose to lose $50 because that's a guaranteed 50% return. If any financial advisor offered you 50% returns with zero risk, you'd be insane not to take it. So why does your brain scream, "Take the money now"? Your brain values stuff today way, way more than stuff in the future. Even when the future stuff is objectively better. This is why saving for retirement feels impossible. Credit card debt exists. Diets fail on day 3. Gym memberships collect dust. Every single time you swipe a credit card, you're choosing pleasure today and pain tomorrow. And here's the brutal truth. Your present self doesn't care about your future self. Your present self wants the new phone, the vacation, the fancy dinner. Your future self is the one dealing with the debt, the regret, the missed opportunities. Ask this question to yourself. If your future self could send you a message right now, what would they say about the money decisions you're making today? Would they thank you? Or would they be begging you to stop? But here's the good news, because awareness is the first step to freedom. If this video just saved you from even one bad purchase, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Psychology of Money content. And drop a comment. Which bias hit hardest for you? Your future self is watching. Make them proud. See you in the next one.